I'm your platform partner, Jackson, all about helping you take action here with Hustle Headquarters 360 on YouTube. And this video is for those people that are still on the fence about cryptocurrency. Now, I want to have a general conversation because I love all of the crypto newbies, people that are potentially getting in and trying to figure out should they wait for a dip. I want to have a general conversation real quick. And I want you to understand that right now, it's still a early phase of the crypto market because there's under $2 trillion. Now you got to understand how significant right now is for many different reasons. So I'm going to talk about some numbers, but then we'll talk a little bit more about kind of the greater scheme of what's happening with the financial reset and why right now your money is under attack. You got to understand that inflation is happening. It's a real thing. That means the value of the dollar is going down, it's depreciating all across the world. So we're seeing prices for stuff go up. So you want to immediately start getting out of dollars and getting into digital assets, all right? And not just Bitcoin. Please be clear. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude that loves to talk about cryptocurrency and opportunities for people to be free. Now, check this out. If we look at numbers, I said it's less than $2 trillion in the overall cryptocurrency markets, less than $2 trillion. Now, if we look at these other traditional markets, meaning if you look at something like gold, when people buy gold and silver, gold is about $10 trillion in all of gold. If you look at real estate, we're talking real estate markets, well over $30 trillion if you look at all of the real estate across just the United States alone. If we look at other things called derivatives, where basically is stock market, commodities, it's like shares when you buy these companies, when you buy stocks and it goes up and down. If you get all of these different markets and you start adding them up, we get well over $200 trillion if we just look at all of the money and how people invest. Here's the deal. Cryptocurrency, the market, digital assets will be involved with pretty much all of these markets. I mean, real estate transactions will start being taking place with some type of digital asset. Don't just think Bitcoin. No, think there are digital assets and non-fungible tokens that are going to be used to facilitate these transactions. Same thing with how people pay rent, how they buy their real estate. Same thing with how people invest in stocks. They're not going to invest in stocks in a traditional way. Stocks are also being ported over to decentralized finance cryptocurrency assets. So what does this mean? That means if there's over $200 trillion in the entire market of all of the money, and cryptocurrency right now is still under $2 trillion, this is the perfect time to get in. You don't have to wait. Even you can make a mistake and I know what you're doing and you still got a lot of upside. So in my opinion, the risks are low. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Understand you still got high risk and you can lose money. However, you need to understand that every other form of money is going down if you're involved in the dollar. If you're involved in just real estate and you only getting paid in dollars, you're losing. Your money is under attack. And right now, I truly believe that the systems are in place to get us off of the normal dollar and get us involved in what they call SDRs and these other digital assets that these countries are beginning to create. So Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies are great ones to start learning about. The best way to learn is by getting active and activated. You can do that at this channel, and I encourage you to do so immediately. XRP, Cardano, so many others, Ethereum. For example, if you would have got Ethereum 3 years ago, Ethereum, you could have got it under $100. Right now, Ethereum is over 2,000 and potentially going to hit $10,000 this year. That means if you had $10,000 worth of Ethereum and you wait to the end of the year and it hit 10,000, I mean, it hits 10,000 per Ethereum, a $10,000 investment will be worth $1.5 million if you just held on to that for 3 years. That's about 150 Ethereum tokens. So right now, it's still early. It's very simple. Subscribe. I look forward to helping you out.